Safety or security concerns of an air hostess.
Safety concerns that everybody land safely. It should not be ki,
You guys say call them souls. 180
yeah,
souls on board.
yeah, we do.
180 आत्माएं हैं मेरे साथ.
Souls
डरो
on
मुझसे.
board. Where did you get to know about this?
I know. I'm a very smart guy.
Very smart. I should say that. But yeah, safety, of course, that is a top-notch priority for me. Everybody should be safe. That's why we get trained for the reasons we get trained. It's not only मैगी तो कोई भी बना के खिला देगा आपको या फिर आप खुद भी बना के खा लोगे पैसा रख दो and then take the Maggie and make it. But safety in that case, if I'm not going to open the door safely in a safe environment, you'll not be out safely. You'll be like sucked out of if there is pressurization
Or you're
difference.
flying Boeing, then also you might get sucked out. You're flying the Boeing plane, दरवाजा उड़ जाएगा, आप बाहर चले जाएंगे, सीधे जमीन पे लैंड करवा देंगे आपको.
Without any effort. No, I'm
Literally,
not saying anything on this.
I studied what all airlines in India are flying Boeing,
Okay.
and I know that X airline has 22 planes, Y airline has 8 planes, this airline has 10 planes. So we never buy tickets of those. We love to go because only buys A320s. We love that plane.
But other airlines are also doing great. I'm not going against
बोइंग
any
के
of
प्लेन
it.
पे ना बैठे भाई, मैं आपसे बोल रहा हूँ.
मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ.
ये नहीं बोल रहे, मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाई, बोइंग अगर प्लेन है 757 है तो ना बैठे, क्योंकि उस ऊपर सीधा डायरेक्ट नीचे लैंड कर जाता है. वो नोज ड्राइव करता है, ऐसा नाक अपनी ना मिट्टी में रगड़ लेता है शर्म के मारे.
But yeah, safety regarding this only, that the main motive of a crew member or a pilot is always that the passengers are safe, they land safely, and security, make sure that there is no hijack on board. At
Yeah,
least
there's
not
no
in the
Jack as well, right?
No
So
Jack,
somebody
yeah,
don't call
true.
him Jack. Hijack.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
No
एक
Jack and Jackies.
हाँ, एक और सवाल है मैम का कि लिमिटेड ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल. ग्रोथ है मतलब वही है ना कि बस क्या बनोगे,
Airline
मैक्सिमम
industry.
क्या बनोगे आप.
Oh, there are a lot of opportunities. People, yeah, this is something which people always think that, okay, crew ban jayenge, now what
उसके
next?
बाद क्या. हाँ,
What next?
महान क्रू बन गया, उसके बाद क्या.
Now what next? True, there are questions, and that's why maybe people restrict themselves from not joining this industry, but it's absolutely not. There are a lot of opportunities because I've seen people growing in just 6-7 years, being one of the directors also, right? From a crew, maybe if you have a crore, you can be a pilot if you have that much of potentials. And also there is growth wherein internally you can do, like if you have a degree, you can be an instructor, like airline instructor, safety instructors. You have opportunities in securities, you have opportunities. I have seen people
No, but
working
as such, वो step vertical growth नहीं है ना
there
उसके
is
बाद.
no hierarchy. Because of course there is department to department. If you talk about just being a crew, there is like positions. Every airline has its own named positions, not there.
What is the best top position for the crew कि यहाँ तक पहुँच गया, अब इसके ऊपर ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, इसके बाद आप कॉर्पोरेट में जाओगे सीधे.
At the end of the day, airline crew is also like a corporate girls, right?
No, you're not getting me. Like अभी आपकी हाईएस्ट लेवल पे आप आ गए हो, इसके बाद अगर आप हमारे एयरलाइन
As
के
a
साथ
crew, as a
एज अ
crew.
क्रू, इसके बाद हमारे एयरलाइन के साथ रहोगे
You
आप,
have
तो
to
मुझे
do 9
आपको
to 5.
प्रमोट करना पड़ेगा. हाँ.
That's like every airline is different. Like here in Indian Airlines, mostly it's check leads. That's the like top notch position you can be in. And after that, you can go to being instructors, different type. Like there are different departments for instructors as well. You can be a captain. If not that, you can even open your own airline if you have that much of growth and money. I think if you have potentials, you can usually do.